Guys, thanks for joining me here at RFK Stadium Skate Park in DC. Just really trying to get back into skating again. I remember I said to you guys I'm starting a weekly video again, and then I got the flu and I normally get vertigo, and when I skate I just go totally off balance and I feel nauseous. So I couldn't skate for like 4 weeks, and then I waited till I got to DC that I could get the opportunity to hit a skate park. I'm very unfamiliar with the area here, so it's quite difficult finding things. but I found this one today. Great session, great park. Nothing like a great park, and it's the first time I'm ever skating an actual street park in my life, and the quality of the surface and everything. You guys are spoiled with real skate facilities in this country, and I wish someday we can get something. We do have a couple, but in Cape Town, South Africa, but not that many of this quality around the country. And yeah, hopefully one day we can get to where you guys are at with skate parks. And then I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for all the support. Leave a like, leave a comment. Gotta go and spend some time with a wife and spend some time together in this amazing place.